There are many unique design features that we have built into the M200 Rain Jacket, but today I want to tell you about just 3 of them that helps to keep you dry even in the harshest weather condition. First, the M200 features 2 layers of waterproof protection in the main zipper area. We have used a full-length water-repellent YKK zipper which is aided by an outer waterproof flap. This keeps the zipper protected and prevents any water seepage in this area. Second, the foldable hood is especially useful when riding in heavy rain. By wearing the hood under your helmet, you can prevent any water ingress at the back of your neck, whether coming off of your helmet or otherwise. Third, we have provided wider wrist opening so that you can wear the jacket even after wearing your gloves first. We also used Velcro adjustment tabs instead of elastic so that it is easier to close the jacket over the gauntlet of your riding gloves properly. This ensures that the water flows off of the jacket and over your gloves instead of going into the gloves.